Hey everyone, Gil here at graymanprepping. In this episode of Your Prep for Today, I want to talk to you about watches and clocks. Specifically, wind-up watches and clocks. There may be a time where the grid is down and your plug-in clocks and stuff not going to work, or things go on, all of a sudden batteries are no longer available, so you can't put batteries into your little wall clocks, your little quartz wall clocks and stuff, or even the watch batteries for regular watches and stuff. You're just not going to get them. Well, you're going to still need how to tell time, especially if you're like cooking and canning. You need a clock to tell time. Well, wind up clocks and watches, something you might need. When I was growing up, I didn't have a plug-in clock. I had a nice big, it's called a Big Ben. I also had a little one called a Little Ben. They're wind up, you wind it up, and it's good all day. Yeah, probably good for like 2 days, but every night I'd give it a couple twists, keep it wound up, and good for a while in case I ever forget to wind it. I also carried a lot of pocket watches. These little pocket watches, pop it open and you wind it up by twisting the handle on it. Those work great too. And of course there's still the old wind up wrist watches. You get it on there and you spin the thing in there, and tightens up the spring inside, and you're good for a day or so. Alright, so think about it. Do you have a way to tell time without any electricity at all, with a battery, plug, whatever? Are you going to be able to tell time? All right. Oh, one other thing. These things are EMP proof. So, with that, think about telling time, and think about some other things here. I got the link to my other channel, Camp Patton Family Compound, right up here. Got a couple great playlists over there, how-to and emergency preparedness playlists for you to check out. And I put a couple more playlists up here that you'll be interested in. All right? See you around. Take care. And get something that's mechanical to tell time.